everyone who watching and listening to news from us. Today we want to tell you about tropical storm.
This is called a tropical storm. Occurs more often than usual, which will cause damage to several aspects, make people suffer a lot. What are tropical storms? Tropical storms are air of extreme low pressure. The mass air is rising, causing low pressure on the Earth's surface.
How do tropical storms occur? Tropical storms start within 8 degrees and 15 degrees north and south of equator, where surface sea temperature with 27 degrees Celsius. The air above the warm sea is heated and rises. It causes low pressure. As the air rises, it cools, then condenses, forming clouds. Air around the weather system rushes into fill gaps caused by the rising air. The air begins to spiral. This is caused by the spinning movement of the Earth. The weather system generates heat with power the storm, causing wind speed to increase. This causes the tropical storm to flatten itself. Tropical storms rely on plenty of warm, moist air from the sea. Hello. Okay. I cut the image to the real situation.
Hello everyone! Now we are staying at Cancun City of the Mexico country. It's very scary, everybody. Yes, it really scary, everybody. How to lessons causes of tropical storm. Air on surface of ocean is heated hot. Humid air rises, cools and condenses. Cloud from rising air creates low pressure. Air rushes into fuel gap led by rising air. Rotation of the Earth's main wind. Do not both spread. Wind circle toward the center. The storm continues to freeze itself. Moon system moves westward toward land. When the system crosses, the land is lost. It's sure. The tropical storm losses is angry and die out.
How to place it when a storm. 1. Immigrant cover such as building safe strong. 2. Hiding in the shelter until wind will change. 3. Close the door and the window. 4. Power off water and turn off the gas. And finally, don't use all kinds of electrical equipment. Some white thunder.